Today, I'm taking on one of my biggest cooking challenges. I'm going to recreate Jollibee's famous Chickenjoy and see if I can fool the biggest Chickenjoy fan I know, MJ. So here's the plan. MJ is still at school and he'll be home within 2 hours. The question is, will MJ notice the look and can I trick his taste buds? We'll find out. Of course, I will get him the real Jollibee meal. The drinks, the gravy, the box will all be from Jollibee. But the chicken, I will secretly replace it with a homemade Chickenjoy that I will make. Can I make a fried chicken that looks and tastes like Jollibee Chickenjoy? Let the countdown begin! Earlier today, I already told him that I will buy him Chickenjoy this afternoon. Am I lying? No, just a little. Let's start cooking. And here's everything that we need. First, let's marinate the chicken. Add water and salt. Next is the chicken. And put all the spices on it. Mix everything well. If this turned out good, I will surely share the recipe so you can fool others too. I'm just hoping mine comes close. While marinating, let's prepare the coating. I have here 2 bowls for dry and wet coat. For our dry mixture, add all-purpose flour, a little bit of white pepper, 5 spice, Spanish paprika, and black pepper. And a little bit of crispy fries. Mix it well. For our wet mixture, just add 2 tablespoons of our seasoning mix and water. Lastly, add 1 egg.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Ooh.
Before we fry our homemade Chickenjoy, let's order the real Jollibee and I will get it through Grab. Now it's time to coat. Put the chicken into the wet mixture, then into the dry mixture. Then aim for a texture like this. For these 2 chickens, I will coat it twice to see the difference. Done. Now the chicken is ready, it's time to fry. Looks delicious like me. Look at that. The chicken that has one coat looks like a success. Jollibee is here! Almost looks the same. Look at the color. Perfect! Look at that. I think I can fool MJ today. Oh my gosh. Now let's welcome the world's #1 Jollibee Chickenjoy fan, MJ!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for inviting her. So what should I do?
What should you do? So we have here 3 pieces of Chickenjoy.
Yeah.
You need to choose, you need to taste it and choose which one
It's different.
is the which one is the Jollibee Chickenjoy. So 2 of them is I made it. One of
Yeah.
them is the Jollibee Chickenjoy.
I'm gonna taste it.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Did this one first.
Patay. Kami.
Kalami ba ano eh?
This is not
Ano?
a Jollibee chicken.
Second.
Ang sarap.
Second one.
Yummy.
What do you think?
I think this chicken is made from Jollibee. And this two is
Well, you haven't tasted it yet.
but I think I choose this. This one. This is made from Jollibee.
How about the second one?
This is made from. You cook this.
You cook this.
You cook this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And that's all.
That's all. He got it right. Jollibee. Mana? Did I fool MJ? Not today, but I got very close. Today, MJ just showed that he's the ultimate Chickenjoy judge. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.